The most cinematic thing that you can do is tell a story. Have you ever had a moment in your childhood that taught you a valuable lesson? For me, it was the time that I scraped my knee from running and tripping on gravel. Despite warnings about the dangers of reckless play, I had to learn it the hard way. It was actually funny because I remember my parents having to tell me to slow down, Josh. I still remember the sharp sting of gravel against my skin, the shock of the fall, and then the slow realization of what just happened. It was a painful yet unforgettable lesson in caution and consequences. Imagine this though. Instead of getting a mere caution or a warning, what if I had been told a vivid story about the consequences of carelessness? Maybe a narrative about a similar child's misadventure could have painted a picture more compelling than any simple warning. This experience wasn't just about the physical pain of a scraped knee, but it was about an early encounter with the power of experiences and stories. Stories have this unique ability to make us feel and understand the repercussions of our actions, far beyond what simple warnings can achieve. That day, with my knee throbbing in pain, I learned that stories are more than just tales. They're actually life lessons wrapped in words. They have the power to teach, to caution, and to change our perspective. Now, think about applying this lesson in storytelling to your visual content. Now, I'm not just talking to you filmmakers. You guys already know this. I'm talking about the music video directors, the TikTok creators, God bless you guys, the commercial directors, literally any type of short form content creators that often feel like storytelling is for the birds or for the big boys. Effective visuals, no matter how short, are not just about sharing information. It's about bringing your audience into an experience, making them feel the emotions and the lessons as if they were their own. Every video that you create is a potential canvas for storytelling. Whether it's a tutorial, a personal vlog, or a creative piece, embedding stories can elevate your content, making it resonate deeply with your viewers. Hey guys, the sponsor of this video is actually me and my team. You're actually sitting here in front of a computer right now editing when you should actually be out building relationships with your friends and your family. Click the link in the description to get a crazy discount on our total collection bundle, which will cut your editing time in half and free you away for having to work all day on the computer. That's it guys.